So I'm just going to make you a quick video because that's probably the easiest way to explain this. So let's move my little bubble A. Okay. So I think this will be the easiest way to explain it to you. So denotation is the dictionary definition for a word. And I remember that because dictionary starts with the D and definition starts with the D, and then you have denotation. So that's just what the word is defined as if you were to look it up. That's denotation. So connotation is the feeling that the word gives. So a word can give you a positive feeling, a negative feeling, and then this is like step 3, I guess. It's like above and beyond. Some words can have a neutral. So we do this a lot in class. Like sometimes I'll say, do you think this word, if students don't know it, I'll say, do you think it's positive, negative, or I'll say, is it neutral? So for example, if I say you're being a Scrooge, based on what we know about that character, we know he has a negative connotation. So depending on the word, the connotation can be different. For example, words with a positive connotation are generous. If you're a generous person, that's typically like a positive thing about you, right? If you are a stubborn person, that typically, if you're stubborn, not all the time, but typically, right, stereotypically, it would have a negative connotation. So generous would be positive, but if you are maybe spending money in an extravagant way, extravagantly, that might have a negative connotation. So generous and extravagant are synonyms, right? They mean the same thing, but depending on what word you use, it can make a different emotion. So typically, like politicians do this a lot, and people who are trying to sway how you're seeing a topic. For example, if I say that I am a thrifty person, ooh, I'm thrifty, or I'm frugal, like I'm trying to save money, and typically that's a positive thing, right? If you say someone's thrifty or frugal. But if you say someone's stingy or cheap, that has a negative connotation. So you can just check out this chart. Some of these words, if you don't know, I'd recommend looking them up. But like if you're tolerant of others, that's a positive word. But if you're like sly or sneaky, like sneaky and sly, typically have a negative connotation. So connotation basically is just the feeling that a word gives you. I hope this was helpful. Let me know if you need more help. I hope you're having a great e-learning day. Bye.